This distance is x, and we get velocity dx by dt. Differentiating it with respect to time, we get velocity. Again, differentiating velocity with respect to time, we get acceleration. Now use this here. In SHM, simple harmonic motion, acceleration minus omega square x. Minus is just for denoting direction opposite of the force. So here omega, angular velocity, x is the displacement distance, force F equal to m into a, mass into acceleration. So multiply here mass m into a, we get force F equal to ma. This is a, multiply a with m. And now acceleration equal to dv by dt. Here we already know that dv by dt is acceleration. So we can write here for acceleration dv by dt, and value is same. We can also break this dv by dt. We can write dv by dx, not dt, dv by dx, and again dx by dt. We get same value like this, dv by dt. Here is dv by dt, so this is same value, dx will be cancelled, dv by dt. So we can write here to break this in this form, and value is same. Now what we can do, dv by dx can not change. We have to keep it as a constant fix. Dx by dt become velocity. So this is fixed constant here, but this term dx by dt becomes velocity. Here we know that this is distance, and dx by dt becomes velocity. So dx by dt is velocity. Now we can write v into dv, and dx multiply as cross multiplication. So we can write v into dv equal to dx will come here like this. Now here is dx and here is dv, so we can integrate it, integrating with the value, with the limit, what may be v1 to v2, v3 to v4, and here in term of x, so x1 to x2 or x0 to x, required value